Hello, welcome to another video. Today we're going to be doing an unboxing. This unboxing is from DIY Digital Art. They did send me these items for review, so thank you to DIY Digital Art. So first thing is this pen here. So I saw, hey, look, there's a wood pen. I do have some wood pens, and I actually like the wood pens just because they tend to be lighter. So yeah, it's pretty light. They're lighter than the other kinds of pens, which I can't even show you an example because I'm like, I don't. Let's see. I can't really show you an example because I don't use them. The biggest are too heavy. So like the ones that are made of like plastic are usually much heavier than these ones that are wood. So if you have gotten the wood pen from Add More Zest, it is a different wood pen. Like it's a little bit longer and it's fatter than the Add More Zest pen. All right, so yeah, I like it. I think I might use this. Because like I said, I'm a big fan of the wood pens. They're not as pretty. I mean, unless they start varnishing it or something with like designs or paint or something. They're not as pretty, but they're light. So this thing is $2.50. It does come with some multi-placers and a single placer here. I tend to just use metal multi-placers, so I'm probably not going to use these. But yeah, wood pen, woo! I've been switching out my pen more often. Someone has suggested saying like, don't stick to the same like width pen because then your grip, so that you could like exercise your grip. I don't know, like, or just like change how your grip is. So you need to switch out which pens to use. So I've been switching out what pen I use periodically. So I don't stick to the skinny ones, but I'm really happy now that there's lighter pens because yeah, I'm telling you, your hand gets tired holding it, at least for me. So yeah, $2.50. So this one. So this one is a regular drill, round drill. It should be round drill diamond painting, a 30 by 40 round drill diamond painting. It's $5.50. So ordinary toolkit. So these are round drills, but they're actually in baggies. There's some nice colors there. And it's this here. It's this mushroom house with some mushrooms and a path, and it looks like trees and a moon. Actually, I think it might actually turn out pretty decent for this size. Sometimes when these smaller sizes, you do have to be careful how detailed your picture is because it is smaller. So this is about 13.5 inches by like 9 3/4 inches, or about 34.5 by 25. So drill field, I mean, there are 24 colors. All the symbols are letters here. And drill field looks nice. This one looks like it has a lot of color blocking. So since this does not, have, usually when they're in the strip packaging, this number here is on the bag, but this one doesn't look like it has it. So I'm gonna write it in because I do store my drills and diamonds, my drills and canvases separately. Okay. Yeah, I think this one will actually turn out. Next up, this one should be a cat picture. It's also another 30 by 40 and it's $5.50. So it looks like it's the same toolkit. Looks like the drills come in the baggies also for this one. So I wonder if a lot of diamond painting companies are switching to the baggies. If you don't like kitting up, you can diamond paint directly from the bags. So I got this cat. It's so cute. It actually might, this one looks like it'll turn out really well. Nice. Nice. So let's see. It's 25 by 34.5 centimeters. I tend to measure in the centimeters more often because diamond paintings are like made with centimeter units in mind, so they usually have a better. So this one looks like it has 23 colors. All the symbols are letters. And look at the cat, it's so cute. Look at all that color blocking. I tends to be the white color, so 3865, yeah. And then the second lightest color is usually J. And then W is the darkest color, which is right there. That's what I noticed in the whatever the rendering system, software they use for these diamond paintings. That seems to be what I notice. Oh, look at the cat. So like I said, when you're choosing the ones that are this size, you kind of do have to be careful of how detailed the image is because, you know, it's a small size. And this looks like, here's the colors. Here's a lot of blues. I turned off one of my lights. There was just too much light shining on it. Some blues here. I'm gonna turn on a different light. All right. So this one, like the other one, does not have the thing on it. So VIP 851. So I wonder if these were printed around the same time. All right. Next up is another 30 by 40. It is also $5.50. So ordinary toolkit. Looks like the drills are in the baggies too. Look at this color scheme. It's like completely different. All right, so it's this here. It's a summer gnome picture. Welcome summer. It's still June when I'm unboxing this, so I thought this was a like, it's before summer. Summer starts with like June 21, right? June 20. So it's before summer, but it's these gnomes eating watermelons. It's a 24.5 or by 34. This one has 21 colors. All the symbols are letters. This is actually more confetti heavy than you think. Look at that. J, T, L there. But yeah, see, there's I as the lightest color and W as the dark color. So yeah, these gnomes eating watermelons. I thought it was cute. Oh wait, it's gonna. This one is NH3337. And then let's do this one. These are keychains. This is $6.75. There should be 5 keychains. So it looks like the toolkit comes with the keychain ornaments. And these are specials. And looks like they're double-sided. So I got some fish keychains, or like sea creature ones. Here's this fish one here. Looks like the symbols are letters. Not the clearest. The W is not that obvious, but how many other... This one probably only has like a few colors, so it shouldn't be that hard. Here's the starfish here. They are double-sided. Is this a crab? Octopus. So this octopus is cute. And a seahorse. I don't know why, but I like the little sea creature keychains. So let's measure the starfish. Starfish is about 2.5 inches. Yeah, about 2.5 inches. A little bit less than 2.5 inches. So it's about 6 centimeters by about 6 centimeters. The crab is actually pretty tiny compared to the rest there. So the drills, looks like there's only a few colors. So there's some nice pink here. Looks like some regular black drills. Some gold drills here that are marquees, and then some bigger rhinestones. These ones might actually be the same. These two are smaller. So this one looks like it's the only big one. There. Right. And last up, man, I feel like it's dark. I'm gonna open the light again, even though it was shining too much. So these ones are supposed to be small sketchbooks. This is $9. There should be 8 sketchbooks. So ordinary toolkit, and drills look like a combination of specials and rhinestones. So there is 8 here. So I see they're not actually all, looks like they just kind of put the sticker on here, and they're not all the same. Like see, this is really close to the L, this one is not as close to the L, so they must have just placed this on top. So yeah, a heart full of love, and it has like a bunny. Is it a bunny? And then, okay, it's not a sketchbook, it's a notebook. So it has lines here. So it seems like it comes with 2 of each, and there's the symbols are, looks like numbers, if it'll focus. There. Numbers. And then this one says, I believe I can fly. Looks like a duck, maybe. I just want to be with you. Is this like from songs? With a bear. And this one says, let me take a selfie. But like I said, the bear is not completely straight. I do plan to give these away during Halloween, so a lot of the little things that you see me do, I give them away during Halloween because I get hundreds of trick-or-treaters. Yes, I get that many trick-or-treaters. So it looks like only a couple colors here, so some black, white, and brown, and then some yellow and yellow. These are 2 shades of yellow, and then an orange rhinestone, and then looks like a big black drill. Did I measure these? These notebooks are like 4 1/4 by 3 1/4 inches. Or maybe we'll see if the centimeters look nicer. 8.5 centimeters by 12 centimeters. Okay, the focusing is like focusing really weirdly. So I'm not sure how it's focusing. There, it's focusing. There. Alright, so that's actually the last one I'm unboxing. Let's see, so let's make room for everything here. So all the keychains and notebooks there. And then we have the watermelon, the cat here, and the mushroom house. All right, so that's all I have for now. I'm going to complete the little things and I'll be back. Okay, I'm back and I finished the keychains. So what did I say? Okay, there were 10 colors. 1 was a regular round, 7 crystal rhinestones, and 2 special. Like a lot of keychains, there was some excess stick. This took me 1 hour and 21 minutes to complete. And I wrote one special was too big. You know, I actually completed this like a month ago, but I haven't had the chance to record things. So I'm like, what did I mean? Now that I'm looking at it, now I remember. See, like this special here, I'm not sure you could tell there's like this bigger special right there. That barely fit in there. And then when I'm looking at the picture here, it looks like it's the same size as all the other specials. I mean, as like the same size as this. So my guess is they actually gave me the big one instead of like the one that's the same size as everything else. But I didn't realize that until I started shoving the drills in there, and it still works. Yeah. So here's the octopus, seahorse, fishy. It is double-sided, starfish, and the crab. And yeah, that's that one. I also finished the notebooks. So there was 2 notebooks of each. And what did I write? There were 7 colors, 3 regular rounds, 3 crystal rhinestones, and 1 special. I don't think I had anything really, I didn't have anything to say, so this took me 1 hour and 18 minutes to complete. I guess if I was going to say something, I would say that these pictures are not this like as straight. They're not like, see, like this one, the bear is like that way, and then the bear is this way. But if you didn't, like, and then this one is, the eyes are not straight. But if you didn't see the 2 versions of it, would you notice? I don't think so. So yeah. Yeah, these are little notebooks. And in case I haven't mentioned it, or you're new to the channel, I do a lot of these smaller, like, diamond paintings because I do plan to give these away during Halloween, because I get hundreds of trick-or-treaters, and I literally mean hundreds. I have to buy like 5 bags of candy from Costco, and then I still have to turn off my light because I ran out of candy. So the 5 big bags from Costco. So yeah, I supplement adding some diamond paintings to there, so for the people who don't want candy. And yeah, so in case you're like wondering why I do so many of these little projects. All right, so that's all I have. So thank you very much to DIY Digital Art for sending these items for review, and thank you for watching, and happy diamond painting. Bye.